He'll give it his best, but when it matters most, he'll just slither back into his hole.
Разбитая душа, и все твои обещания пустота.
How dare you stand where he stood? Tell them how it happened that night. Tell them how you looked him in the eye. A man who trusted you and killed him. Tell them. Protego! Spelliarmus!
Nice one, James.
Right. Take off, Snippy's trout.
No. Just like your family.
We're free! We're free!
Устал я жить, все обиды тая. Уходи, за собой закрой. Сколько бы я не просил, но ты же знала, что меня теряла. Я босиком по стеклу, так прямо. И если бы не твой милый голосок, я бы упал, сделал последний вздох. И звезды мирно падали, как будто до меня.
No.
While you live, the Elder Wand cannot truly be mine. You've been a good and faithful servant, Severus.
Hide her. Hide them all. I beg you.
What will you give me in exchange, Severus?
Anything.
Brother Accusations. The boy survives.
Doesn't need protection. The Dark Lord is gone.
He has her eyes.
You must be the one to kill me, Severus.
Severus.
We're friends!
Please. Avada Kedavra.
You coward, fight back!
After all this time.
All the way.